Do you think shaving your head will decrease your hair fall? Keratin treatment will decrease your hair fall? Or shampooing every day will help you? If you think so, let us bust 7 myths today. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to it. In our everyday practice, when patients come to us, many of them say that, doctor, I was facing hair loss, therefore I shaved my head. And then see, when I keep on shaving my head, my hair fall is reduced. But today, let us bust this as a myth. Head shaving will never reduce your hair fall. Let us consider the cause of hair fall. Where is it? It is in the root of the hair. If you keep on shaving, it will not decrease the hair fall, rather you would not be able to see it. So it's like an ostrich. Like if there is danger, the ostrich will put its head in the sand so that it doesn't see the danger. So the danger is still there. The hair fall is still there. You are just not able to see it. So the major causes of hair fall are in the roots of hair fall. If there is some DHT problem, nutritional problem, hormonal problem, all of it is in the root. Nothing is in the shaft. So if we keep on shaving the shaft, it is not going to help you. Rather, we have to see the problem itself and then take care of it. If you're liking the video till now, please press the like button. So a lot of females who come to us for hair fall tell us that, doctor, when I go to the parlor for hair trimming or hairdo, the beautician tells me that please come frequently for hair trimming so that your hair keeps on growing more and more. But it's a myth. If you keep on trimming your hair, it is not going to affect the growth of the hair, because as we said before, the growth depends upon the root. The causes are in the roots. They are not in the shaft of the hair. So you keep on trimming, it's okay. It will keep your hair in a shape and it would look good, but it will not help in the growth of the hair. There are people who come to us and tell us, doctor, if I keep on taking good nutrition and follow a good schedule for my hair, then will my hair take a good length? Will my hair grow till my waist or things like that? What will be the length of my hair if I keep on taking good nutrition? So I want to clarify here is that the length of the hair will not depend on nutrition, on any of your routines. It is actually genetically determined. So if I have my hair growing not more than the shoulder, it doesn't mean that I'm not taking proper care. It just means that my genes have made my hair grow till the particular length. Likewise, there are people who do not take any out of the way measures for their hair, but they have waist long hairs, flowy hairs. So again, it is genetics. So do not pressurize yourself that you're not taking good care. The length of the hair depends on your genes. You can ask any questions regarding the length of the hair, the problems, and any other query of yours in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you scientifically. Before we talk about other myths, let us consider what can be the possible causes of hair loss in males and females. Why males and females apart? Because the common causes in males are different than females. Talking about males first. In males, the most common cause of hair fall is androgenetic alopecia. It means the male pattern baldness. As you see, the temples going, the male getting bald from the front, a few getting bald from the vertex, and then different patterns which we call Norwood-Hamilton pattern. The other causes may be nutritional deficiencies or other fibrosing alopecias, which are not very common, but once you go to the doctor, he or she will guide you. The commonest causes in females are nutritional and hormonal deficiencies or improper patterns of hormones. When a female comes to us, we have to diagnose first the common cause of alopecia. For that, we undergo some blood tests, maybe an ultrasound also, and then we diagnose and then treat the female. The female pattern hair loss, as in male pattern hair loss, is common. It becomes more common as the female ages, but the nutritional cause is definitely commoner and can be treated without much problem. So it is very important that you see a hair doctor before you actually start self-medication or home remedies or things like that, so that the things do not go beyond control. You need to take care of it first, get it diagnosed by a doctor, and then we can always have a better hair. If you have any queries as to what kind of hair fall you're having, what are the symptoms, you can actually call us or come to us for consultation. We can discuss the symptoms, investigate you, and then we'll be able to find out the cause and accordingly the treatment. One more myth is that females come to us, especially the adolescent and young females, and they say, doctor, can I get keratin treatment to reduce my hair fall? Again, it's a myth. Keratin treatment is actually the chemicals applied to your hair so that you get a fuller hair, and it may disentangle your hair, but it will will not lead to less hair fall. It has got nothing to do with the problem or the treatment of hair loss. It is only something which is applied on the hair shaft, which makes the hair smoother. Entanglement is reduced, but it will not change the hair fall pattern. Again, somebody would say, doctor, if I keep on shampooing my hair every day so that the scalp is clean, the hair is clean, will my hair fall get reduced? This is a very important question. The frequency of shampooing depends upon how much workout you do, what is your nature of work, how much outdoor working you do, how much dirt and dust is there, oil is there on your scalp. So differing from person to person. It may be if you have very oily, greasy hair, if you are working outdoors a lot, like somebody who is working for construction will definitely need to wash their hair every day, maybe twice in a day, if not with the shampoo but with water also alone. Then somebody who is staying indoors, whose hair is dry, and it may be that they wash their hair just twice a week or even once a week. Therefore, it depends on person to person. You can customize it as per the need of your scalp. If it is dry and you are indoors, you may decrease the shampooing to about twice a week. If you work outdoors the whole day and it is dirty and greasy and oily, you may require to wash every day. If you keep on shampooing very much, which is not required, it may lead to itching or flakiness on the scalp, because again, shampoos are chemicals. Even if you use the home shampoo, maybe you limit yourself to once in alternate days. With the shampooing and washing of hair, there may be certain vitamins which may increase your hair growth. If you want to find out more about it, you can see the video above, which is for the vitamins important for your hair loss. Again, a myth is that massaging and oiling is a waste of time. Old practices do not require to be done anymore. But wait, oiling is preconditioning of your hair before you actually put the chemical shampoo on your hair. What happens is your hair is a shaft which contains so many cuticles. Cuticles are scales jutting out of the scalp. If you oil it, the cuticles will close by the oil and the shaft will be, it will have its own shield-like protection before you put the shampoo to it. So preconditioning with oiling is excellent for the hair shaft. You yourself will see that the disentanglement of the hair is less if you have oiled it before. Oiling can be done as per the requirement of the scalp. If you have an oily scalp, maybe you don't require because you already have oil, but you may need to put a little bit of oil 5 to 7 minutes earlier before you shampoo. If you have a dry scalp, go for a good pre-night oiling to the hair. As far as massage is concerned, massaging by the fingertips or with the device is excellent to increase the blood circulation on the scalp. And there has been a study in Japan in which 9 males were taken into the study, and then the dermal papilla was seen under the study of all the people who were in this schedule, and it was found that the thickness of dermal papilla increased with 4-minute massages every day for 6 months. So this is a huge data in the sense of importance. So this means that the age-old practices of massaging and oiling are actually good for your hair. Again, one more myth is that excessive dandruff will decrease my hair, but I can go bald with dandruff. No, dandruff, if excessive, can lead to some hair loss, but the thing is that we must understand that dandruff on the scalp is because of the oiliness of the scalp. As you have excessive oil on the face, you will have more acne. The same, you will see that people who have oily skin and acne will also have dandruff. So oil on the face is acne and oil on the scalp is dandruff. So that dandruff, when due to excessive oil on the scalp and then the malassezia fungus which is already present, it yields to devour the oil on the scalp and then it increases the flakes. So what you need to do is control dandruff as we control the oiliness on the face. There are certain shampoos available, certain medicines, lotions available which you need to put on the scalp for at least 15 to 20 minutes before you actually wash. So the commonest mistake people do when they try to remove dandruff with the shampoo is they put the shampoo and wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute and then go for a wash. No, any anti-dandruff shampoo needs to be put at least 15 to 20 minutes if it has the ketoconazole ketoconazole. If it has the other drug like some steroid, it is only 5 minutes. So there is one standing time for the shampoo on the scalp, after which you can wash. But this dandruff can be put under control and it will never lead to baldness, as in Norwood baldness. So stay dandruff clear, stay safe. If you like the contents of this video, do share it with your near and dear ones, your loved ones, and subscribe to this channel for further information. If you want to know the genuine cost of hair transplant in today's scenario, you can click to the video on the left. And if you want to hear about the testimonial of one of our hair transplant patients, then click the video on the right.